हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं बीएससी फिजिक्स के फर्स्ट पेपर मैकेनिक्स का फर्स्ट टॉपिक इनर्शियल एंड नॉन इनर्शियल फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरेंस. So before starting our lecture, first we have to know what is frame of reference. So frame of reference is nothing, it is just a Cartesian coordinate system. Frame of reference is nothing, it is just a Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, it is just a Cartesian coordinate system. This is O, and this is x-axis, and this is y, and this is z. Okay, so intersection of these three axes is called origin O, and also called reference frame. And this is Cartesian coordinate, and we take Cartesian coordinate system as a frame of reference because Cartesian coordinate system has all the properties of any frame of reference. Okay, so if we put a particle here and we put a person here, a person is standing on origin. Okay, if this particle is moving, with v velocity, then what this person will see? This person will see that this particle is moving. Okay, and if this particle is not moving, then what this person will see? This person will see this particle is in rest. So we define the rest and motion position, by from frame of reference. Without taking this frame of reference, we didn't describe this particle position. Is it rest or it is in motion? So we need a frame of reference. Frame of reference is called. So from here we write definition of frame of reference. An object or system by which we describe an state of another object or system. Frame of reference. What is frame of reference? It is an object or system by which we describe state of another object or system. Okay, so we have two types of frame of reference. First one is inertial reference frame, and the second one is non-inertial reference frame. So first of all, we will describe what is inertial frame. What is inertial frame? Okay, so inertial frame are those frame which has constant velocity, and no acceleration, and it holds Newton's law. here momentum will be conserved. So these frames will also called non-rotating frame. And due to no acceleration, these frames are also called non-accelerated frame. And velocity will be constant. Okay, so these are some points in inertial frame of reference. So we have to describe these points. Okay, so from Newton's second law, F equals to dp vector upon dt. If we take force is 0, if we take force equals to 0, then what we get? We get dp vector upon dt equals to 0. So from this equation we have p vector equals to conserved, यानी कि momentum conserved. Okay, so this point will be proved, and now we have to prove this point, no acceleration. Second point, if we take force equals to 0, if we take force equals to 0 in Newton's second law of motion, then what we will get? Acceleration will also 0. So non-accelerated frame. So inertial frame is also called as non-accelerated frame. And now we have to prove constant velocity. So if we have acceleration is 0, then from the formula of acceleration, velocity will be, if we take acceleration 0, then velocity will be constant. Okay, now the third point will be proved, and Newton फर्स्ट लॉ को ये होल्ड करता है. गुड. ओके, नाउ वी कम टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, that is non-inertial frame. So now here constant velocity and here no constant velocity. Velocity will be something. Okay, so velocity will be not constant in non-inertial frame. Momentum will not be conserved. Acceleration will not be 0. And Newton's law is not valid. Okay, this is non-inertial frame. Okay, now I'm asking one question with you. If a car is moving with velocity, with constant velocity, then this car is in which frame? I know you know the answer. If we consider constant velocity, then constant velocity in which frame? Inertial frame. Okay. Then this car is in inertial frame of reference. Okay. If another car which is moving with constant velocity with respect to car which is also moving with constant velocity, then that another car is in which frame of reference. It is simple. If a car is moving with constant velocity and another car is moving with constant velocity with the first one car, then the both car is in inertial frame. Okay, then both car is in inertial frame. We will describe question number 2 is in briefly in Galilean transformation, our next topic in this chapter. Okay, now we come to the next topic to find particle position when particle is not moving. Answer. We take a reference frame, x-axis, y and z, and this is origin and this is particle which is in ref, not moving. Then we need to describe this particle position by two methods. One method is by position vector. And what is position vector? What is position vector? Position vector is nothing, it is just a line joining